If you're wondering how I built a professional website without writing a single line of code, here's how I did it with Bolt.new and a little help from ChatGPT. Step 1. I signed up on Bolt.new. It took just a few seconds. Step 2. I described my vision with a simple prompt like, create a beautiful website for my bag online store using Next.js. I also added details like layout and features I needed, such as a product gallery, shopping cart, and contact form. Step 3. Bolt instantly built my homepage and core sections. I made quick edits just by typing things like add testimonials or include a blog section. Step 4. Then I used ChatGPT to write content, from homepage copy to product descriptions. I just asked, write landing page content for my store named Bagit, and it delivered instantly. Step 5. I uploaded my own logos, product images, and replaced all placeholder content with real info. Step 6. After testing the site on mobile and desktop, I simply clicked the deploy button, and my site was live. Step 7. Post-launch. Updates are just as easy. I chat with Bolt to add new features or make changes anytime. That's it. My website launched in under an hour with zero code.